If you watched me previously, you've noticed this car in a lot of my videos. The 370Z was an amazing car and gave me basically no issues for the entire 3 years that I owned it. Unfortunately, I don't have it anymore. A decision that I still regret to this day. Now, instead, I own something different. If you know me or you follow me on Instagram, you already know what it is. But I haven't posted to YouTube in a long time, so I've never really made any videos about the car, and I want to start making videos. I've owned this car for well over a year now, so it's not a new car. I've already had it, but when it comes to my YouTube channel, it is the new car. If you have me on Instagram, then you've already seen the reels, the stories, the car meets I've taken it to, and the photo shoots that I've done with this car. But if you haven't yet and you don't know what it is, here it is. This is my 2006 Corvette with the Z51 package. Maybe in a later video I will discuss how owning this car has been and what I have done to it so far in the last year and a half. But for now, let's go meet up with friends and take it to a car meet.
Left to merge onto State Highway 114 east toward DFW Airport. Right 2 lanes.
Okay, damn, I thought I broke it for a second. Okay, we're good. Can I open it?
Yeah, go for
Alex, I had such a bad start, bro.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, this is for sure. Because this one on takeoff isn't.
I got a prologue thing.
You know what it looks like?
Not a copy and paste. Type where I went. US? No, I don't know.
Oh, yeah. I got you, bro. The wood.
Oh, appreciate it. Thank you.
Damn good.
A lot of
Yep, there it
time
is.
and hours, man. Oh, yeah.
Man, it's clean too.
And half the time, like, you get all these junkyard cars, you know.
Oh. You had one?
Yeah, I had a black 370Z.
Oh yeah.
This video that I'm filming is gonna have that black 370Z in the beginning of it too.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I caught it, yes. Dude, I love the 3.3 liters in these. I love them. Oh shit, M340. Thank you. Hey, can you turn the light? There you go. Yeah, you should give me a ride sometime.
See, oh, watch this. Shit tracks. So you got this shit. You can put the regular G meter, so it shows that, and then there's this. All your temps and shit. All this, and then you can do data logging, so you can track.
Wow.
Yeah. So you can.
Oh my god. Oh, it feels so good.
So it's like all your gauges. And this. You can change
so
the color
nice.
for this too. I forgot how.
There we go.
Yeah, I got the window sticker. This is with cruise control on and everything. If you turn it off, it shows all your stuff too. So your temperatures,
that's nice.
PSI, your boost PSI. And then you can scroll right here and it'll show you on the side somewhere too.
I bet you also have navigation in there too.
Yeah. So like whenever I'm driving, it'll like pop up an arrow and everything. And then my G-force right here, on cam on screen. Or I could put it on the thing.
Nice.
So red match, comfort sport, engine, plus our steering.
Have you put it in R mode yet?
Yeah.
Does that open the exhaust on these?
A little bit.
Okay.
And the throttle response is a lot faster too.
Oh yeah, I bet. Let me hear how loud it is from the outside.
I need air conditioning.
Through first, so I
There we go. My turn. Oh, music charging.
white person just did the. Do you want me to get pictures like that?
Yeah.
Okay. I got that.
Everything start. The only thing it has is the oil cascade.
Oh, okay. And a tire. So technically you're not stock because these spin like crazy.
You should see how bald they are.
Well, they are drag packs though, right?
Nah, I've had them for a week. They're already gone.
You had them for a week?
They had the Mickey Thompsons. I had them for a week.
Were you doing like burnouts and stuff?
Nah, just hitting it. 40 rolls.
Damn. I don't know, man.
It's gonna be a good race though.
It'll be a... Oh, by the way, Kendall, there's a Stelvio right here. Same color as your mom's.
Last week I raced the Mach 1.
A Mach 1? A Whipple Mach 1? How was that?
I got gas.
You got caps?
I got gas.
You got caps? Oh. Okay, you were about to make me
Full time with the Whipple.
crazy. I'm leaving first. I'm not gonna do any runs tonight, I'm just gonna ride. What's in the front or the back?
You're the cameraman.
Okay.
Yeah, just put your seat up.
Okay. Appreciate it. Oh shit! Yo! Oh my god, dude! Oh my god! No way! God damn! Shit!
I saved it.
He's got trust in his brakes, man.
Oh, I know. You're just as crazy.
God damn. Oh my god. Bro. Oh my fucking god.
Crazy.
Holy shit, man. God damn.
Holy fuck. No.
No, you're not scared.
Damn. Oh, it's a manual?
Oh yeah, yeah.
I did not know it was a manual. What the fuck?
Alright, you ready?
Hell yeah. At the red light?
Yeah, no,
spun,
you're spun when braking though.
I can't hook.
I've ridden a Hellcat, so
yeah, this shit nice as fuck. What the
next. You made me want a Hellcat, dude. What?
I'm in love with the way it pulls you. Because when you're in the driver's seat, you don't feel it as much.
No, yeah.
Hit that hole. Then you're making me want to can mine, bro. I love the chopping. Cause beds sound so nice when they chop.
Yeah. Yeah, we better get over there. Well, let me confirm it's a Z06. Yeah, it is. Right there.
Oh yeah, so on the
Yeah, right there. Pretty. Oh!
Hey, yo!
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 I don't really want to record it.
Put an axle in there and twist it, it'll manually open and lower it. So you can lower it back down to flat.
Oh yeah. I know that, but once I lower it, once I thump them back, it just goes right back. Yeah.
That might be a computer issue.
Yeah, I like that. Oh, you missed us out. That happens to me too. Alright, here we go again. Here we go.
Yeah, the wind is crazy. Yeah, it's so much fun. I think it's more than
Dude,
because I think with the Scat or the Hellcat, it's real easy to kill yourself with that.
Yeah. No, for real. It scared the shit out of me. Like
Oh my God.
I was like, is that gonna be me right now?
I know. I started thinking, man.
Hey, look at that.
Shit.
Yeah, a little bit, yeah. And we're in a vet too, dude. That's what I.
Yeah.
Here we go. Into it?
Just exhaust and intake wise.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm playing
Oh, yeah.
camo, cams, dyno headers, probably stage 2, and then
You can't go wrong with.
fully white pipe in it.
Yeah, you can't go wrong with a full bolt-on and cam in this car and LS's.
Yeah. I just gotta strengthen up the block to eventually handle a supercharger boost. Do that no problem. Yeah. Okay. Don't have it too fast. Hey, nice.
It sounds really good.
Oh yeah, it's nice. I love it.
What the fuck?
Bro's in the wrong side of the road.
He's
What
on
the
the wrong.
shit?
He is on the wrong side of the road.
He's driving like a British man.
Yeah, it's not the UK. It's not Japan.
Yeah.
I caught that on video.
That's wild as shit. I can't believe that.
Yeah. What the fuck?
That's a one-way ticket to getting fucking crammed.
Yeah.
I'll try to rep it, Valerie.
You wanna film an outro real quick? All right, I think that's it for today, right?
Crazy day today.
Yeah, we got some suicidal motherfucker coming down and was in our side of the road, almost hit my friend Evan and me on the bike. Shit. I mean, this man's suicidal.
That dude had to be
Man's trying to play
something.
chicken shit.
Dude, you could have died.
He could have died.
Before he even left, he was flying up and down the road right here doing tiny pulls and shit.
Oh, so he wasn't
On
just
the wrong side of the road, which is dumb as
No,
fuck.
he was on the right side of the road and he flipped around that right around there. That shit was scary for me.
Dude, you were
Bro's
fucking.
literally
He's in the front.
Exposed.
He was in front of us. But hell yeah, I guess.
Fast and Furious type shit.
Hell yeah.
W video.
Hell
This
yeah.
shit goes viral, we'll buy a shit box and we'll build it.
That's what they said. Take it easy.
You said so.
Yeah, you too. Don't get pulled over. Fuck.
Yeah, you-
And also don't get hit by wrong way drivers. Fuck. That was stupid. Yeah. All right, you ready?
Yeah, go for it.
The light. Turn left onto